we are in the car, Rein and me, and we are going to Rising Star because someone else took him from Volga, from the horse clinic, and now I have the time to go there, and yeah, then we see what is going on over there. We're almost there, and hopefully we can film there. So, bye. Whoa. Bye. Hey, Risey. Hello. Hey. Kom eens. And how's your teeth doing? Okay. Hopefully that's it. Hey, Risey. Hey. Well, this morning they lunched him with a saddle. Hi. And maybe tomorrow they going to sit on Risey and try to ride him. Yes? Do you like it? Yeah, I think so. So maybe in a couple of days, weeks, we can ride Risey. Hey, what? Hey. Hi there. I want to show you something. Oh, stop. It's Rocky. She's back. Rocky was away for a day. We couldn't find her. She smells a bit different, so maybe she was at another home. I really don't know. Oh no. Horses, please. Reina. Kom maar, in de box. Hey. Reintje. Sally. Hey, Rocky. I'm so glad Rocky is back. Hey. Bella. Reintje. En Sally. Hey Sally. Good morning. Reintje, Sally and Reina. And finally the weather is kind of normal. The temperature is better. It's getting warmer. There's no wind. Perfect. Yfke. Goed zo. En ho, stappen. Ho, stappen. Goed zo, braaf, ja. Goed zo, braaf. Let op. Draf. Draf. Goed zo, braaf. And the first time with the strings between her front legs. So that's first a bit different. But in this way she can lower her head a bit more. At least that's why I have them there. Goed zo. Yes. Goed zo. Braaf. Doe maar, Yfke. Come. Look at that walk. She has a very good walk. Just like her trot, but yes, she has to lower her head a bit more. But hey, this is the first time with the strings under. So I think she's doing great. Goed zo. She's very relaxed. She's already on this side of the arena. Not only at the gate, the fence. Goed zo. Super. That's what I mean. Goed zo. Braaf. Doe maar, Yfke. Well, I think Yfke is doing great. I mean, how often I lanced her? Not that often, but she likes it. Yes. And there's a bit of foam. So that's a good sign. So I'm happy. Next. Oh no. Bella. Oh my. Oh, de raf. Oh, goed zo. Nee, 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 nee. No. Hallo? Okay, I help. Hey, she sees Rocky. What? Rein and Peach. Nou, kom maar. Goed zo, braaf. Goed zo, Rein. Hallo? Boefke? Ja, nou gelukkig is hij nog heel.
Ja, anders moest je nijkeken.
Ja. Oeps. Perfect. Hey, Rocky. Hey, Peach. Good morning. There are the ponies and the fillies and the horses. Oh, thank you. Reina. Water. Sally en Rijntje. Hey. Yfke. Boukje. Blomke and Bella. This is the first time the weather is nice again. Finally, after such a winter. Whoa. And Bauke was early this morning and he brought out the horses. So that's perfect. Thank you, Bauke. Rocky. That's a doe. Peach and Reina. Rijntje. Yfke. Sally. Bella. Blomke. Boukje. Daisy. Hey. Lindy. Hey Peach. Cheese. Come on. Cheese. Cheese. Come on. Cheese.
Dit klopt net. Er is iets wat net klopt, maar ik weet net precies wat.
Glendy and Peach, they have a bit hungry. Hey Peach. And Daisy had enough last night. Oh, hey. Yeah, she is a bit chubby of the foal. But Reina, Rijntje. Sally.
Stappen.
Piet en Rein.
Drop. Oh.
Sta je in de sturen?
Ja.
Belle, Boukje, Blomke en Yfke. Oeh, Boukje. Left Yfke. Blomke. Boukje. Hey Yfke. Hey, hallo.